Hello, everyone. In this video, we will see how to check hidden photos in Google Photos. So let's get into it. Open the Google Photos app. Depending on your device and version of the app, you might see the Library tab open automatically. If not, tap on the Library tab located at the bottom of the screen. This tab is the main hub for browsing all your photos and videos in Google Photos. Locate the option labeled Archive. This button might be hidden slightly off-screen, so you may need to swipe up a little to reveal it completely. If you find a photo you want to bring back to the main view, unarchiving it is simple. Just tap and hold on the desired photo, then select an archive from the pop-up menu. It's important to remember that archiving a photo doesn't delete it. It just hides it from your main library. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to find and unarchive hidden photos in Google Photos. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.